This is a delicious creamy chicken, pumpkin and asparagus crumble using Orogel and Stork. Let's make the crumble topping. Cut the Stork into cubes and place in a bowl with the flour, salt and herbs and rub together. Stir in the pumpkin seeds, crumble's ready, let's make the filling. I've sautéed some garlic and onion, I'm adding in the chicken breast and I'm going to brown. Add in the diced pumpkin, salt and pepper and let's fry. To make the creamy sauce, add in some flour, whole grain mustard and single cream. Guys, this smells delicious. Pour the filling into a baking dish, spoon over the crumble filling and bake. The perfect warming dish for this time of the year. Creamy chicken, pumpkin and asparagus crumble. Give this a try.